everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, we are in the middle of summer, so I am fresh faced and I am ready to show you guys my summer makeup routine. This is for bulletproof makeup so that you will not sweat it off. It's also mask friendly. I know that this makeup routine will withstand mask wear off and on, so if you're like in and out of the grocery store or in and out of your beauty appointments, this makeup will hold up the entire time. So if that's why you're here, keep on watching.
All over you, please take me to places that nobody knows. You got me.
Do you see my beautiful visionary sweater? This was from my spring and winter collection for XO Duchess merch. If you haven't checked it out, I'm gonna leave the links down below so that you can click on those, see if there's anything you want to try. So first things first, we're going to start by prepping the skin. So as you can see, I have redness, I have a little bit of discoloration under the eyes, I have a ton of freckles, and these are areas that I would traditionally, and I do have big pores also. So this would be an area where I traditionally would use like a primer in my T-zone. It's like a pore filling. I do tan in a bed. I do go out in the sun all the time. So I always want to make sure that I am re-moisturizing my face because obviously I do a lot of damage to my face sometimes. So one of my brand new favorites is The Ordinary. So it's a hyaluronic acid, which is a super moisturizing product that is good for almost all skin types. So I picked this up from Ulta and it comes in a box like this. So I was so excited to get it. It's only $7, which makes it super user friendly, but it comes in a little dropper like this, and I just like drop it on my face, just like pour it all over me, you know what I'm saying? And then I rub it in with these fingers. So my goal is to do my entire face, and then I'm gonna go out, live my life, and then I'll come back later and do a check-in, let you guys know what all I've done for the day and how my makeup held up. So first things first, skincare, little hyaluronic acid moisturizer. Next thing, I'm gonna go right in with the primer after I let this dry for a second. Okay. Next up, this is my all-time favorite primer for summer right now. It's the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It is so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Like, y'all, when I tell you this primer does exactly what it says it's gonna do, so I'm just gonna put like a pump and a half. So it's nice and sticky. I opt for a CC cream in the summertime. The one that I love is the It Cosmetics CC cream. I am in shade light, which is actually not that light because I'm carrying a tan right now, obviously because I'm tanning and I'm out in the sun a lot. So light is not really super light. It has a little bit of tint to it, and it's more of a warm tone. I think there's a lighter one under this, but just keep that in mind whenever you're using a Cosmetics CC cream. If you are more on the fair side, you may want to use this with your regular foundation and just kind of like mix them together, which is what I do all the other times of the year. The reason why I love it so much is because it's semi-full coverage, as full coverage as you're gonna get for a CC cream, but it also has 50 SPF as well as skincare built into it. So it's super beneficial. It's gonna give you everything that you need for your face. And I'm gonna apply this with a beauty blender. I use a beauty blender year round, but for some people who just love super full coverage, they'll use a brush sometimes. I opt for the beauty blender in the summertime because it's obviously a lot more moisturizing and hydrating to the face, and it's not gonna give you that super powdered finish. Okay. And I don't really worry about making sure that the underneath of my eyes are completely covered because I'm gonna go back and put something on that anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So that is the foundation laid. I also don't bake during the summertime. A Tarte Shape Tape, I just do a little bit under the eye right here and a little bit on the side just to bring it out and elongate that eye area. So just a little bit here to hide my sins and my transgressions. A little bit above the lip, a little bit on the chin, brow bone, sign of the cross for protection from evil. Fight devils like you with the crucifix. Shoot the shit up butt. And then we bounce. Fully melted into the skin. I'm going to take my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder. There you go. On a puff. Oh shit. And I'm just going to like dab and just set. I'm not looking to bake. I'm just looking to set it so that it's not like a lot of moisture left in.
I got secrets that nobody knows. I'm good on that ish. I don't want what I can get. I want someone with secrets that nobody knows.
24-hour eyebrows. Love them. Okay, so I finished my eyes really quickly off camera because it's just simple shit. I just used a quick wash of color over my lid and then a wing liner, and that was it. And I don't do mascara because I have eyelash extensions. I do, however, use a lash strengthening serum, but it's actually in my truck. So I'm gonna go change. I'm gonna do my crazy hair. Change my outfit, and I'll come check in with you before I leave for work. I ran a flat iron through my hair, nothing too crazy, and I'm going to get started with my day. I will come back and check in with you guys when I get home and let you know just a final recap of how everything that I've changed and reincorporated into my summer makeup routine has helped and how I think it'll help you guys. So see you in a few hours. Okay, hey everyone. It is, I don't know because I don't have my watch in front of me. I think it's like 6:30. No, I don't know. It's like 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this video out. But had this on for about 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 8 hours for sure. And this is what it looks like right now. So I haven't touched up. I haven't done anything. I've actually been on the road most of the day. I had to go out. I was outside for a while. I didn't make it to the gym, so I didn't actually like work out, but I did do a bunch of running around. So I was jumping in and out of my truck. I had to go to my land, which is out in the country, and I had to walk up and down it to check on different things because we're developing some land. But anyways, it's a whole nother story for a whole nother day. But point is, I've been outside quite a bit, in and out of the vehicle, mask on. I had to run into a couple different places. So my face makeup held up really well, in my opinion. And I swear to God, guys, all of this is attributed to this Hydro Grip Primer by Milk. Again, I actually got this off of a recommendation from TikTok. I don't know the girl's name. If I can find her before I upload this video, I will add it to the video just so you guys can see. But I loved it. I still love it. This has probably been like my 4th or 5th time wearing it in the dead of summer. Super, super hot here in Texas. And I really believe that this is what is helping my makeup stay together while keeping me moisturized and not looking super dry. And like I was telling you guys, the Ordinary, the hyaluronic acid, these two together, I would say were probably my biggest game changers for wearing makeup in the summertime where it's like high humidity, like I said, in and out of really, really high temperatures, as well as having a mask on and off your face while maintaining moisture, which is super important. I do obviously use this with my It Cosmetics CC cream, which does have the built-in sunscreen as well as some skincare. Super important to me. If it's not important to you, that's okay, but I do recommend that you're putting some type of skincare, whether it be in your moisturizer or just a straight up skincare on your face. Something that I do a lot whenever I'm going to be in and out of the sun. Also, if I don't for some reason use it, or if I just wanted added protection, I keep a Neutrogena. I think it's like the Active Boost or something. It's a it's a mist. It's a mister. It has like a little gun thing on it. And it's a body mist, but it's a dry one. So I'll spray that on my face before I go out or whatever. If I know I'm going to be in and out of the sun a lot, I do that as added protection because I do want to take care of my skin. I am naturally fair skinned. So skin damage is real and we don't want it. We have enough to worry about with coronavirus and murder hornets and, you know, everything else that's going on in the world. But wanted to jump on, give you guys a quick recap. I think it works fantastic. I did throw my hair up because it was hot AF. But yeah, that's how I'm staying crackless in the summertime during mask wearing COVID season or whatever it is that we're in right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed these type of hauls, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe or ring the bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.